Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7. Back at it again with another video. How y'all doing out there? For my new subscribers, it was popping. And for the one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real. So welcome to my channel, guys. I hope everybody's doing good. Don't mind my hair, don't mind my voice. I'm under the weather right now, and I was just laying down upstairs, and I couldn't really sleep, so I'm like, you know what? Let me make a quick video real quick. But I hope everybody's doing good. You know. Out here in the East Coast, the weather is bad, so, you know what I mean, niggas get sick quick out here, you know what I mean, but it is what it is. But, hope everybody's doing good, man. Like I always said, man, I hope y'all praying, I hope y'all having that faith. Never lose that faith, guys. Just keep praying, man, for real. You know, we all go through tough times, you know what I mean, it's not all smiles and whatever, you know what I mean, it's laugh now, cry later type stuff, feel me? But, life is crazy, you feel me, life gets us, you know, too overwhelmed, and you know what I mean, there's a lot of things that happens in life, man, but all we gotta do is pray to God, man, that, you know, give us strength. Pray to God that, you know, keep us out of the way, man, and to stay focused in our goals, and to stay focused and, you know, positive energy, you feel me? But today I want to get down to a part that I purchased. Is gonna go into one of my lowrider bikes that's called Esperanza, the red one, the red and gold joint. You know, that's my, you know, my main one, my baby. You feel me? So right now I'm gonna you know, open up the package. Got it right here. Hold up. Alright, so this package I got it from the homie from Sweetie Styles. You see this? I opened it a little bit, but I ain't opened it all the way. Y'all can tell with this is an insert for the tank. So that's something, a new toy for the baby. You know, a new accessories. Feel me? Like I said, guys, don't mind my hair, don't mind my style right now. You know, I was just laying down upstairs, you feel me? My shorty. You know what I mean? Got a little bored, couldn't sleep. So you know what? I'm like, let me make a quick video real quick before I forget. Because I'm trying to do more videos, guys. I'm trying to get up there. You feel me? What y'all think? Look at this. Ooh. Look at that. What y'all think? Alright, so let's go put it on. Alright, so with this right here, we're gonna need an Allen key. Cause that's what, I mean, it's calling for, an Allen key. And this is dope, you feel me? This is not really expensive. It's affordable, you feel me? Like like I said, man, I would love to get parts from Manny. You know, but a little expensive for me, and I can't really afford that in the job I'm working at, or you know, but this is what we could afford, right? All right. This one. And like I said, this is dope. I even hit up Manny just for one of these joints. You know what I mean? It was about, I think it was about like 4, 5. They were like $400-500 for this right here. You know what I mean? I ain't knocking it, but you know, when I'm rich, I'll get that. I'll be over there when I'm rich. But like I said, guys, you know what I mean? Subscribe to my channel. If y'all new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Like, share, the whole 9 yards. You feel me? And for the one that's always sharing my shit, yo, I appreciate y'all for real, for real. Alright, so that's what we going on right now. Let me move my joint frontwards. Alright, so this joint, I'm sorry if I just like, oh, it's an insert and whatever, and they ain't told y'all what it was, so it's gonna go right here. I already see it. It's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look crazy already. Like, I already see it. You feel me? Like, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Nah, it's fuck with y'all. It's gonna look beautiful. I already see it. It's gonna look at this, guys. It makes it. Come on, guys. I'm gonna cry for real. It already looks beautiful. I ain't gonna not hold up. I'm sorry if I got emotional, but that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. It might be a 2-man job. Or not. Oh man. I want it to fall. You gotta take your time. Oh man. Damn. Come on. Come on, baby. Is it on or is just like I'm scared if it falls and then I don't want it to break. Oof, pretty tough, guys. Pretty tough. You gotta be careful, man, when you paint, cause I'm over here scratching my shit right now. So, pretty hard, man, because I don't know what's up. I don't know what's going on. Alright, guys, I finally got it. I forgot to put the video, but it was a little hard. But you gotta just gotta use the Allen key. Force it. Not really force it, but yeah, you gotta just use the Allen key. So right there, my problem a little bit with it is it looks nice, but I don't know if it's supposed to move or I got it wrong or what. Or do I gotta tighten it more? I might have to tighten it more. I'm not sure. I don't want to break it. But let's go and tighten it more. Maybe I do gotta tighten it more. Yeah, I got to tighten it more. That's why. Yeah, because it's not moving now. Yeah, you gotta tighten it. Yeah, because look, it's not going nowhere now. Look at that. Look at that beauty, guys. I gotta put the camera in. Let me see. Look at that beauty, guys. What you think? What you guys think? What you guys think? Look at that. Come on, man. This is beautiful. Wow. Thank you, guys. That's it, man. I sound like shit. I gotta go get some water. But like I said, man, thank you for the support. Thank you for the love, man. This is a quick video. I was gonna show you, one of my parts that I bought. Like I say, keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. Never stop building, man. Keep this little culture alive, man. No matter what, man. Keep building your bikes, man. Keep designing them. This is art, man, and love, man. Lots of love, man. Passion and your hobby, guys. This is what keeps me out the streets, man. This is what, you know what I mean? Everything, you feel me? Like, this is my life right here, you feel me? This is in my blood. But like I want to say, man, God bless, guys. Have a good day. Stay prayed up. Always pray. Don't stop praying, guys. And God bless, man. Be safe and take care, guys. To the next video. Peace.